Hi everybody. In today's video I'm going to show you why you cannot push your GitHub repo using your password. So I've created this folder here. It's just named GitHub test, and then let me go to my repository. I've also created this empty repository called GitHub test, my remote repo, and then here I have my local repository. All right, so I want to upload this to my GitHub account. So I want to show you why you can do that using a password. So let me quickly show you. So I'm gonna open terminal. So I have my terminal windows here open. Let me minimize this. I have my terminal windows open. Let me increase the size a bit. Okay, that's clear. All right, I want to navigate to my folder. So let me go here. Cool. You can see my folder just have one file right now. It's called a text.txt and it is nothing. So let me go here and just add some notes. All right, cool. And then I can just close that. Cool. So we just have one file. I've already initialized this. If I say here git status, I'd already initialized. So on a branch main, we've made those changes. All right, cool. So let me add this. I'm gonna say I'm adding the change. I'm adding all files, and then let's see git commit some changes. Cool. And then I want to push. So the first time I create this, so first I can do if you just go here to your folder, you can see the first time we have to do this git push origin master. I had already added it. So let's see git push u origin main. So it's asking me for my username. All right, my username, you see there, is asking for my username. Is website vanilla. Is asking for password. Now if I put my password here, it will reject. You see, it says support for password authentication was removed on August 2021. So you can't authenticate using a password. So what do we need to do? So all you need to do, go to your GitHub. So I'm gonna go to my GitHub account. Let me open here GitHub on a different window. And what you need to do, you need to go to your settings, as you can see. Let me try to increase the window a bit, and then scroll all the way down where it says developer settings. Click developer settings, and then you'll see here you have GitHub apps, auth apps. You need person access tokens, and I'm just gonna use the classic one. So I need to create a token. Okay, generate new token, classic. I'm gonna go with the classic. And here you can see here below they say person access tokens classics function like ordinary auth access tokens. They can be used instead of a password for Git over HTTPS, which that's the one I'm gonna use. So I'm gonna say generate new token classic, and then I'm just gonna say website vanilla token September 2024. You can name it anything, and then expiration date. How many days do you want it to be there? By default is set 30. That's fine. And then here is about permission. You can read this, but I mean normally I'm just allowing everything because it's me who is working on this project and it's my account. So I'm gonna allow everything so that I don't have to come and change every time. All right, I'm just gonna allow everything for that access token. Cool. And then I'm gonna say generate token. All right, here I've generated it. I'm gonna copy. Obviously by the time you see this video, this token would have been deleted, so you don't have to comment that you are gonna copy my token. All right, so I'm just gonna copy, and normally when I copy, I'm just gonna go to my email here and save it somewhere. I'm just gonna save here as my GitHub. Let's say here GitHub token. Cool. So I've saved here on my draft. So every time I'm being prompted, I can come here and copy and paste. All right, let's go back. Cool, I've already copied. They tell you here, make sure to copy your personal token now. You won't be able to see it again. So that is very important. So I copied it and put it in my email address. So now we are good. So I can come back now here. I've already copied here. I can come back here and I can try to push again. So git push your main. Okay, say website vanilla, in my GitHub, password. Now I'm gonna paste my token. Command V and then enter. You see, now it's going. Awesome. And if I come back to my repo, was my repo? Here, GitHub Desk, I can refresh. You can see here some notes. Cool. So that should be solved if you had that problem.